Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Cushing, Oklahoma, and home of the VMI Corporation. 2022 marks the 50th year of VMI's proud history in the dredging industry. From humble beginnings in 1972, VMI has become one of the world's most recognized dredge manufacturers. From founder Gene Maitland's background in equipment sales and service to his grandson Cash Maitland's expertise in engineering, VMI continues to push the envelope for what dredging machines are capable of. Their engineering team works tirelessly on innovative designs that stem from the feedback of longtime customers. VMI's reputation for producing rock-solid dredges, customer service, and training comes second to none. Operating on the pillars of quality and service, VMI has produced many machines that have tens of thousands of operating hours while remaining in service today. To create a turnkey experience for their customers, VMI offers both portable horizontal dredges used for small and remote job sites and larger cutter suction dredges that are more suitable for high production dredging and mining, rivers, or large open bodies of water. The company builds, sells, and rents their dredges, as well as the piping and accessories required to get the job done. VMI dredges are used around the globe, but each one is proudly made in America. With a world-class team and deep roots in the dredging industry, VMI invests heavily in the development of their most valuable resources, the hard-working people who build the finest dredges in the world, right here in Cushing, Oklahoma. Visit VMI today at VMIDredges.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.